ode to my neglected housework because crochet is better. The dishes sigh, the laundry weeps, the vacuum dreams of dusty heaps, the mop has staged a sad revolt, it's all my hook and yarn's fault. The bed's unmade, the floor's a mess, I think that's yesterday's red dress, but who can scrub or sweep or spray, when there's a cull that starts today? Asterisk, that's crochet along, keep up friend. I told myself, just one more row, but 6 skeins later, where'd the time go? The oven's cold, the kids want snacks. I crocheted cozies for their backpacks. The cat's got yarn wrapped round her tail. My houseplants droop, my nails are pale, but I've got squares, 100 plus. Who needs clean sinks or a tidy bus? My spouse just raised an eyebrow high. You crocheted coasters. But why, oh why? I said, because they're cute and round. He didn't see the ends I found. So dust may settle, socks may stray, but I'll keep crocheting anyway. For joy's not found in chores or grime. It's in the loop, the stitch, the time.